Okay, so let's start with the basic. What are ceramides? But you keep saying na. Oh, marshmallow, I love. May I eat it?
Yes.
Hello everyone, I am Nauheed Cyrusi, an actor turned beauty influencer, and
I'm Soumi. I lead the R&D for Simple Skincare.
we are going to discuss one of my favorite ingredients, ceramides. I also believe you are going to debunk some misconceptions around ceramides.
We'll definitely do that, and let's call it a simple truth maybe.
Simple truths, I like that. Okay, so obviously let's start with the basic question. What exactly are ceramides?
I have something very interesting which will help you understand ceramides a lot better.
Okay.
So here it is.
Ooh.
It's a three-dimensional skin model. As you can see, skin has three layers: epidermis, dermis and the hypodermis. The topmost layer of the epidermis is the stratum corneum, which is essentially the skin barrier.
Okay.
It has a lipid and proteinaceous cells. The lipid is the ones that holds the cells together. Ceramides is one of the lipids.
Now, what exactly is this barrier? So tell us a little bit more about what the barrier is. Also, what skin type should adopt a barrier boosting regimen?
You know, it's important for all skin types to have this barrier boosting regimen, but it's all the more important for people with dry skin and sensitive skin, because ultimately barrier is something that makes your skin more stronger, more resilient, and that's why it's very, very important for all of us to have a good barrier.
No wonder, because honestly I have dry skin and my skin loves ceramides and literally drinks up moisturizers with ceramides. So makes complete sense. Okay, I have to ask you. So apparently now there are topical ceramides and ceramide boosters.
Yes.
What is the difference?
To talk about that, I'll bring back my skin model.
Oh, I'm loving these
Another
models.
skin model.
Yay!
Now, when we talk about topical ceramides, those are these very large molecules.
I also want to be part of this experiment.
Yes, let's do it. So, when you apply them on your skin, they kind of stay on the top,
yes.
right?
Oops,
It's
sorry.
okay. And when we talk about the ceramide boosters, they are these really small
Tiny.
molecules. They get onto the top layer of your skin.
Shall we?
Yes. And see what happens. It basically gets inside the top layer of your skin and boosts your own skin to produce ceramides.
Okay, but 1 minute. Are you trying to tell me all of my money has gone to waste because I bought a lot of topical ceramide moisturizers?
Don't fret. Topical ceramides are great. They do a great job in keeping your skin moisturized and hydrated. However, when we are talking about the ceramide boosters, they get inside the top layer of your skin and boost your skin's potential to produce more ceramides.
Oh, okay.
I have some more surprise for you.
Wow, okay.
Do you want to come with me?
Why
I'll
not?
show you something. Let's go. So these are dried marshmallows. They represent the barrier of your skin that has undergone
makes
some amount
sense.
of damage because of external aggression. And now we'll do a little demo to show you how the restorative rich cream, which contains ceramide boosters, will help this particular skin, which is a little damaged, get restored.
Understood. So I'm assuming that is
Yes, that's the
ceramide booster.
solution. That's the solution. A little solution that we have made with this, with the restorative rich cream.
So you're
for
going to
the
literally put
experimental
some
purpose.
on one, obviously, I'm assuming.
Yes, let's put it on one and see.
I want to. Oh no,
You
you're
do that?
on the glass. Yeah.
So we'll put just a few drops. Okay, and now we will wait a bit. Now that 5 minutes are up, let's see what has happened here.
Okay, so what do I do?
You can just pick that up and you can apply some more aggression, and
Oh, the whole thing cracked.
yes, you can see how damaged your skin gets under the influence of external aggression. Now let's see what has happened to this one, which has been on which we have applied the topically the cream, right? So here,
Wow.
right?
There's no crack. Look
There's
at the
no crack.
difference.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, that's amazing. And that's one's coming with me. Thank you very much. But that was amazing.
Right.
Before I run away with these, I wanted to quickly give you a recap. Ceramides are amazing for your skin barrier. In fact, when the ceramides deplete is when your skin feels sensitive and very, very irritated. Also, topical ceramides are great, but you know what's even better? Ceramide Boosters. And Ceramide Boosters are a new innovative technology, so definitely try this.
Every few weeks, we will come back here and decode the hottest skincare trend for you all.
Oh yeah, so you don't get intimidated by the fancy bottles, the names, etc. And I really need to go, guys. So see you all soon.